So here's taking a look at the Matheran mini train. Now I am right on Matheran station and it's early morning and the train is just parked here. There is absolutely nobody here except a few people playing cricket a little distance away, and you can see the station is deserted. You just have one person who's cleaning the train and there are a few stray dogs. Now here is the engine. It's a really cute little train and it's divided into two classes. You have the second class and you have the first class. So this is the engine, painted a beautiful bright green, red and yellow color. This is the yellow line running through it. Let's take a look ahead. So you can see there are a lot of paintings and there's beautiful art on the outside of the train. So here is one compartment which is locked. Okay, this is the engine as we saw previously, and we are now coming to the first class. Now this is the first class. As you can see, in the first class you have chairs, you have proper seating chairs that are placed side by side. Okay, let's just take a look inside. Here. Okay, now in each of the small compartments you have a beautiful painting that is there right at the beginning, and you have two doors. You have one door over here on this side and the door I just entered from, this one. So here you can see these comfortable chairs which are a little worn but they are still very comfortable, and you have amenities like you have this for the bottle, and you have over here you can place your magazine, your reading magazine or some such. So the first class compartment tickets are considerably more expensive. I do not know the exact price of it, but they are somewhere between 200 rupees to 400 rupees per journey. And now we come to the second class. Here you can see the beautiful birds of Matheran that are painted on the sides of the compartment. Unlike your first class, your second class compartment has these lovely little chairs wherein, these benches wherein people can sit side by side. They are quite similar, if you've traveled by Indian Railways, they are quite similar to the seater class benches that are a little padded. You do not have any other amenities here. Again, over there you can see a beautiful picture of Matheran, and the door painted a bright lime green in this case over here. The second door, the notice. So you have one first class compartment and three such second class compartments. This is the second one. This you can see is D3 and this one is D2, and ahead of this you have D1. Here again you can see the horses painted over here, D1. It's the same, again it has a beautiful picture inside. I'll just quickly show you guys. Here. The layout is the same, there's not much of a change in the layout. And here you have a small coupe compartment wherein, if you're a family that you would wish to book the entire compartment, you can do so. It's got these beautiful chairs and there is a big sofa. It's maintained well. Here you can see these lovely little chairs. And again in this compartment also you have two doors. So here you can see from the second door. Oh, and there is a small cute little engine just perched on top. Here. And this is the second engine again. So there are two engines, one at the front of the train and the other one right at the back, which I already showed you guys. So here is the signage, Matheran station, and here we have this beautiful artwork that is painted on the wall, and you have multiple exits, so you can just walk alongside the tracks. That is not a problem, as this train ambles along at a very beautiful and a very slow pace. Here goes. And if you're ever in Mumbai, do try and take a short trip to Matheran. People say that Matheran is really overrated and it's tiny, but it's a beautiful place. It's very calming, very soothing. You can, get in touch with nature. And even if it's just for the weekend, it makes for a great trip. So here's giving you a look at the Matheran mini train. See you guys. Bye. Here's taking a look at the mini train from the other side. Now this is the engine that I showed you from far. Here you go. It has Neral written on it. So generally this train is available between Neral station and Matheran station. Now it makes a halt in between at Aman Lodge. But due to the monsoons, some railway tracks were washed away on the Neral and Aman Lodge route. So currently this train is running only between Aman Lodge and Matheran. Now the ticket between Aman Lodge and Matheran for the second class is priced at 45 rupees, and it takes about 20 minutes at the most to cover this distance. Once you get this ticket, you can immediately board the train. There are very few trains. They begin at around 8:30 or 9 in the morning, and the last local is at around the mini train is at around 4:35 o'clock in the evening. Now to board this train, you need to get off at Neral, and from Neral you need to take a taxi, which you have sharing available, or you can take a single taxi. Now this taxi is available till Dasturi Naka. If you're taking a single taxi like I did, you're booking the entire cab, it will cost you anywhere between 350 rupees to 450 rupees. I paid around 400 bucks for the one-way journey. This railway or this mini train runs on the narrow gauge. As you can see, the tracks are really small and it's very safe. You can hang out of the doors, you can put your hand out, you can take your children along. They will definitely enjoy it a lot. So I do hope whenever you are in Mumbai, or if you're already in Mumbai, you definitely take a trip to Matheran and you do travel by this mini train, because it's an experience in itself and a very fun journey. So here's me signing off for now, and hope wherever you are, you're enjoying your journey. Toodles and bye.